Hello! Welcome back again for today's video. Pag-uusapan naman natin ang tungkol sa mixed signal 1.2. Okay, so let's be honest. Kung lagi kang confused, kung hindi mo alam kung mahal ka ba niya o hindi, baka hindi ka niya nililito. Kamalinaw na ayaw ka lang talaga niyang piliin. So let's be honest. Ang sakit ng mixed signals, sobra. Kasi hindi mo alam kung saan ka lulugar. Hindi mo alam kung anong nangyayari. So today, sweet siya, tomorrow cold. May attention, tapos biglang nawala. And you keep asking yourself, ano na ba talaga kami? Okay, ano na ba talaga kami? Ganon. But here's the truth, most people don't want to accept. Mixed signals are already a signal. Already a signals. Ayaw mo lang tanggapin. So mixed signals are not confusion from their side. It's a lack of clarity and effort. Nagre-reply kapag gusto lang. Sweet pero inconsistent. May paramdam pero walang commitment. Uy, my gosh. Hindi ka sure kung saan ka lulugar. At habang na iniisip mong busy lang siguro siya, ikaw pa yung nag-a-adjust na hindi mo naman dapat ina-adjust. Oh, so bakit ang hirap bitawan? Oh, kasi may good moments. So kasi pinaparamdam niya minsan special ka. Kasi umaasa ka na magiging okay din lahat. Yeah. Pero real talk, okay? Hindi ka dapat nag-hold on sa minsan. Hindi ka dapat nagsistay sa potential. Dapat sa consistency. Okay? Habang hinahabol mo yung mixed signals, nawawala yung peace mo. Laging overthinking, palaging naghihintay, unti-unting bumababa yung self-worth mo. The worst part, you start accepting less than what you deserve. So that's the saddest part. You deserve more. You deserve the whole. So instead of asking, bakit siya ganito? Ganon. Ask this, bakit ako pumapayag sa ganito, okay? Love shouldn't feel like guessing. It should feel like clarity. No, if someone wants you in their life, they will not confuse you. They will choose you. Hindi ka nalilito dahil mahal ka niya. Nalilito ka kasi hindi ka niya malinaw na pinipili. If you are in this situation right now, this is your reminder. Stop chasing mixed signals. Because clarity is peace. And confusion is your answer. Stop chasing mixed signals, okay? So, yeah. So, that's it. So, if this helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And comment below if have you been experienced? Have you been chased mixed signals before? I hope this helps you. And see you on my next video.